Welcome back. Let's do question 4b. We read the information and we also discussed the rider, and we also found the value of y. We said that y is 18 degrees. And then it says now determine the size of x with reasons. What is the size of angle x, this x here? So we also discussed this. We discovered that these angles, this angle FGE and angle FCE, are subtended by the same chord, so they are angles in the same segment. I'm talking about these angles here. If you see, these are the two angles I'm talking about here, angle G and angle FCE. So let's write that. Angle G is equal to angle FCE. Right. What's the reason? Angles in the same segment. Angles in the same segment. Okay. So they are equal. These angles are equal. So now we can say 36 degrees means that this whole angle here is 36 degrees. So we can say now x plus y is equal to 36 degrees. But remember, y is 18 degrees. So it's x plus 18 degrees is equal to 36 degrees. Then we can transpose here, say x is equal to 36 degrees minus 18 degrees, which is 18 degrees. So x is also 18 degrees. So we found the value of x. So we're going to do 4C1 in the next video.